All right, so do it. So starting off with the first part. We had that before, so just the slide down to fret 4, and then the pull off ending right there on fret number 6. Okay, then after that, he lines up what he's playing with the rest of the band. So that... Okay, so that's sliding from fret number 6 to 8. Then you got the 7, 9. Then you're going to do a pull off. Back to 8, and then 7. Okay, that part. Okay. And if you really want, there's an extra part he puts in at the end. It's in the very back. It's really hard to hear, but he adds that at the end. It's really hard to hear, but it's there. Okay, so that next part. So that is going to slide from 7 up to 9 on the B string. Then go to 9 on the E string and do a pull off onto 7. So you got 9 on the B string, back to 7 on the first string. Okay, after that, you do a pull off from 9 to 7 on the B string. And then you add those two at the end. Here's it with it. Okay, now this next part starts actually pretty low. It was a little bit tough to hear this, but it goes... Starts on fret number 11 of the D string. Then it goes to 11 of the 3rd string. And does a hammer on onto 13 of that same string. And then it goes to 12 of the B string. Okay, after that, it goes back to fret 13 of the G string. And then it does this on 14, slide up to 15, and then back down to 14. And then a pull off onto 11. Okay, that's the next part. So you've got slide from 11 up to 13. Then 12 on the B string. And you re-pick that note. Then you go up to 11 of the E string. And then you add in fret number 14 of the B string. Re-pick that note again. Go down to 12 and then re-pick that like I just did. Okay, so here's all that together. Okay, next part. All right, so this part is 14. You're gonna do a pull off to 11. You're going to then go to fret number 14 of the B string. And then you're going to do that thing that we did before where you slide up and down really quickly. Okay, so you got you're gonna have to do it after that slide up, down, pull off, back to fret number 14. And it actually stays there. If you listen very closely, it actually goes then back down. It goes back down to here if you listen in the background, but that's not important. It does that, but you don't need to do that part. It's not very hearable. But next part to that. So that next part. So you slide from 11 on the G string up to 13, then 12 on the B string, and then back to the 13 on the G string. So check that out. So sorry, let me check to make sure that's twice. Yep. Like that. It's a little bit tough to hear with the delay. Okay, next part. We've already actually done this similarly before. Like that. And you can end that. I would end it just right there. Sorry, it's gonna end right here. So you have that slide from, again, 11 to 13. Hammer on from 11 to 13 on the string below that. And then you go to 13. Slide up, slide down, pull off, and right there. So here's that lick. Okay. Okay, the last part. So 11 right here on the E string, high E string. You do a pull off from 14 to 11. And then you're going to go to 14 on the B string. Then down to 12 on the B string. Next note is 13 on the G string. So you got, and then you end with 14 on the B string. Like that. Okay, then it does it again after that. So it does it a second time. The second time it goes does the same starting part, 11, 14 pull off to 11, and then to 14. And then after that, the change, the part that's different, is it goes to 12, and then it does a pull off from 14 to 12. So you're at 12, pull off to 12, and then you go to 13 of the G string, and then you end on 11 of the G string. Let me check that last time. Sorry about that. It ends on this note. I wouldn't go down to this note. All right, so that last part there. So you're going to be sliding again from, we did this similarly 2 times before, but sliding from 11 on the D string up to 13. Then 11, 13. So let's go to that again. Sorry, this thing got a little bit weird. Hold on 1 second. So that's that part. Okay, so slide up. You're going to be at 12, do a 12 hammer on pull off. And then 13, 11. And then it ends, and this is the ending part. You can hear it really well, but he goes 13 on the D string, slides down to 11, then fret 9 on the D string, 13 on the A string, and then 9 on the A string. So let's hear that. Okay, I'll play one more time. Sorry, I started the wrong spot. That's my bad. Do it. Sorry about that. Okay, it's a little bit tough with this part. It's hard to hear exactly where the guitar comes in because I can hear the guitar with it, but it's just a little bit hard to hear exactly where it is. But I can hear the guitar in there for sure. All right, and that is how you play the lead line for that song. I was playing it at 75%, so getting it up to full speed is gonna take a little bit of work. But I got full confidence in you, man, and good luck. Let me know if you have any other questions. Just email me, and I'm happy to help.